In a world filled with constant chatter, our words hold immense power. They can lift others up or tear them down. Today, we'll explore the wisdom found in James 3 and its relevance to our lives. James starts with a strong warning. He advises those who teach that their words carry greater responsibility. In today's world, where everyone has a voice, this is essential. Humility and accountability in our speech matter now more than ever. Next, James mentions that controlling our words is a mark of maturity. It's not about being perfect, but about having the discipline to manage our speech. This illustrates how our words reflect our inner growth. To emphasize this point, James uses vivid comparisons. A small bit can control a horse. A tiny rudder steers a massive ship. Likewise, a small spark can ignite a forest. Each analogy shows how our tongue, despite its size, can significantly impact lives. Our speech can corrupt or bring clarity. James also candidly describes the tongue as untamable and full of poison. We can bless God while cursing others, which creates a contradiction. This inconsistency cannot coexist, similar to a spring producing both fresh and salty water. Our respect for God should extend to all of His creation. The chapter shifts to the concept of wisdom. James questions who among us is wise. True wisdom isn't loud, it's shown through calm and meek speech. He contrasts earthly wisdom, which breeds confusion, with heavenly wisdom that produces peace and goodness. James explains that heavenly wisdom is characterized by purity and gentleness. This divine wisdom leads to peacemaking. When we cultivate peace through our words, we contribute positively to our communities. In summary, James 3 encourages us to be mindful of our speech. It challenges us to nurture humility and wisdom in our interactions. Ultimately, we have the power to choose whether our words ignite conflict or sow seeds of peace. So, let's strive to make our speech constructive. Choose to be a beacon of grace. Reflect on your words and their impact. If you found this video insightful, like and subscribe for more content on meaningful living.